Hi friends, back with video. In this video, I am going to explain how Airtel Fiber works, what will be the installation charge and other charges. First, you should want to go to the Airtel Fiber website or an direct contact with an Airtel office or an direct contact with a technician who would place an Airtel Fiber. You should want to keep in mind our website and book an appointment for an Airtel Fiber installation. First, a wiring technician will come and slice some cables. Before that, you should want to keep in mind there will be 100 meters limit. Means after 100 meters, you should want to be placed an 8 rupees per meter for every connection. The wiring technician was so friendly, he thought many things. The two optical cables want to be melted and joined together for 2 times. Means you should want to place an optic fiber to a main box or splitter box. After that, you should want to place an other wire and want to keep in mind the optical cable should not be bent at all. After that technician taken a meter, it measured that it was in 14 or 13 the signal strength. After that, he taught me how to melt and it was showing that how the wires are joining together by melting. After that, the technician, all the works are been done outdoor. For indoor, he went to house and fixed all the wires and keep it in the small white box and permanently blocked the box. The wiring technician work has been done. For activation, the another activating technician should become. You are waiting for the plan begins now. For 799 with GST, there will be 2829 rupees. There will be no wiring charge, there will be no installation charge, there will be no security deposit. As begin 499 for 1 month, you should want to pay with GST along the wiring technician charges and installation charge. Now the plans begins. 499 you can get unlimited calls and unlimited net with 40 Mbps speed with airtel Xtreme and wing subscription. For 799 you can get a few hundred Mbps long unlimited local calls and other things. For 999 you can get Amazon Prime 1 year subscription with 150 Mbps speed and Disney Hotstar plans. For waiting for 1499, you can get Amazon Prime with Disney Hotstar and 300 Mbps along the unlimited net and unlimited calls. Now the installation and activation starts. Xtreme Fiber will be wide long range. Airtel Fiber, I think they will be combined with an Nokia for production of Airtel Fibers. Broadband comes with an USB port with a telephone port with 4 LAN ports and 1 power input and reset and WPN ports. Fiber comes with a dual band router. It has a 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz router. It has a wide range of coverage. To me, Airtel is giving more than 40 Mbps or 100 Mbps speed. As I compare to other users, I am getting 120 Mbps according to a 100 Mbps plan. Come to a conclusion, Airtel Fiber is a fully postpaid plan. After every month, they will send an bill. You should want to pay in according to your plan. After that, there will be activation and disactivation will be continued. Say there will be many indication in the box as the power line, LAN cable and USB pair indication will be placed on the Airtel Fiber box. Thanks for watching video. For more, subscribe and like our channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.